My second Lion Brand kit is completed and I can't wait to tell you all about it. Hey everyone, welcome back to She Tried It. I'm so excited to share with you my latest crochet design, the split stitch sweater. This sweater has been a labor of love and I can't wait to tell y'all all about it. First off, let's talk about the design. The split stitch sweater is a cozy and versatile piece that you can dress up or down. It features a split stitch pattern that adds texture and visual interest to the garment. I wanted to create a sweater that was perfect for those of us that live in warmer climates, so I designed it with a lighter feel and a breathable stitch pattern. This is my 10th crochet pattern and my second kit with Lion Brand. Needless to say, this is a very exciting release for me. For this project, I used Lion Brand's Re-Spun bonus bundle in the colors Alpine and Deep Denim. This yarn is made from 100% recycled polyester fibers and has a beautiful rustic texture that adds character to the sweater. I used a 6mm crochet hook to achieve the desired gauge, and the pattern includes written instructions, a chart, and a video tutorial for the stitch that I use. The construction of the sweater is simple yet effective. It consists of 2 panels for the front and the back, and 2 sleeves that are worked along the length of the arm. That way you can decide as you go how long you want the sleeve to be. The split stitch pattern creates a subtle stripe effect that adds visual interest to the garment. The pattern took me months to design, but it would take a beginner crafter a week or 2 to complete. I poured so much into this design because I always want to design pieces that y'all are as excited about making as I am about designing. As I do with most of my patterns, I got feedback from y'all, my subscribers, for this design. I had 6 pieces of criteria that I wanted to meet for this kit, and I think I did pretty well. Number 1, y'all wanted a crochet kit over a knit kit, which I did. That makes total sense because I'm pretty sure my subscriber base is primarily crocheters. Number 2, y'all wanted the kit to be for a sweater, which I did. I believe the design options I gave were scarf, sweater, blanket, home decor, and something else, and the sweater won by a landslide. Number 3, at the time of starting the design, y'all wanted the sweater to be 2 colors. If you check it now, it says 1, but I promise at one point it was 2 colors, so that's what I did. And the beautiful thing about this design is that you do not need to use 2 different colors if you don't want to. Number 4, y'all wanted the design to use wool yarn. That was originally the goal. I even completed the whole front panel using the LB Collection Superwash Merino wool. But I realized after using this amazing yarn, it would result in a $77 crochet kit in my size. That means even more for a size larger than me. If using yarn is something that's really important to you, I definitely recommend that yarn as an alternative to the Re-Spun yarn that I used. I just wanted to make sure that the price of my kit was accessible to most incomes, so LB Collection's Superwash Merino yarn wasn't a good option for this kit. But trust, I will be using that yarn again in the future because it was amazing to work with. Number 5, y'all wanted this kit to use DK yarn, and I was unable to do this as well. The DK yarn I was interested in using ranged from $8.99 to $12.99 per skein. Again, I wanted to make sure the price of this kit was accessible to many, so if the price is no big deal for you, I got you when it comes to alternative yarn. And number 6, last but certainly not least, y'all wanted the kit to be between $25 and $50. Get this, by using Lion Brand Re-Spun yarn for this design, I was able to make this kit price starting at $17.98. That's under $20, which I think is quite a steal for a sweater. I'm really happy with how this sweater design turned out, and I hope you love it too. It's perfect for layering in the cooler months or wearing on its own. Plus, it's a great project for crocheters of all skill levels, whether you're a beginner or an experienced maker. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're interested in making your own split stitch sweater, be sure to check out my pattern kit on Lion Brand's website. It will be available on March 7th. If you're signed up for Lion Brand's email list, it'll come directly to your inbox, and if not, just come back to this video and I'll leave the link in the description box below. As a matter of fact, I plan on wearing the same sweater in my next video where I talk about the process of writing crochet and knit patterns. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crochet and knit content, and until next time, see you in my next video. Bye!